Good morning, all of you. I am Nishchal Joshi. Hope you all are fit and fine. Stay safe, stay at home. Today I am here in front of you all with another topic, that is Khelo India program. As you all know, that sports is an extremely important component for overall development of an individual and for overall development of a nation. The importance of sport and fitness in one's life is invaluable. Playing sports increases team spirit level, it develops strategical thinking and analytical thinking. It also grooms leadership skills. It helps in goal setting capacity and risk taking capacity of an individual. As you all know, a fit and healthy individual only can leads to an equally healthy society and helps in building a strong nation. This program was launched by our respected Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji on October 2017. Basically, this program has been launched to revive the sports culture in India from grassroots level. Let's move to the next slide for further details regarding this program. Khelo India program has been introduced to revive the sports culture in India at grassroots level. As you all know, nowadays the the sports playing on the fields, on the playgrounds, has been took over by the mobiles and laptops. Children used to play on the mobile or laptop. They are playing games but not on the grounds. So how they will become fit, physically fit, mentally fit? So basically for this program has been launched. This program is introduced to build a strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish India as a great sporting nation. This program was launched in October 2017 by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Let's move to the next slide for reading the components of this program. Components of Khelo India program. The first component is play field development. Many fields and grounds will be developed at various state and district levels so that basic facilities should be provided to sports person. As you all know, nowadays, due to overpopulation, or you can say due to overconstruction, there are very less field and grounds in which a child or a student can play. There are no grounds for them to play. That is also a reason that the place of sports and ground has been took over by mobiles and laptops. So in this, many fields and grounds will be developed by this committee, Khelo India committee, at various states and district level, जिससे बच्चों को बेसिक फैसिलिटी ऑफ एनी स्पोर्ट इज प्लेग्राउंड. जब तक प्लेग्राउंड नहीं होगा बच्चा नहीं खेल सकता. The second one is community coaching development. It involves in skill development and certification system in sports coaching. It aims to identify and evolve the physical education teachers and to train them as master trainees. This community coaching development component, this is introduced for physical education teachers so that by some of the experts from foreign or from India who has done higher qualification, he will go to various states and districts under this Khelo India committee and share his knowledge, the latest technologies, the latest tactics to the physical education teachers so that they can also groom on the particular field, and this will surely help in enhancing the performance of a children. The third component of Khelo India program is state level Khelo India centers. Under this component, various Khelo India centers will be developed, the infrastructure will be developed, and they will support to these centers to their best. Whatever they need, the latest technologies, the latest equipments, this committee will provide under this component. Better in this it is mentioned better utilization of sports center and infrastructure in states as well as in union territories. It helps in supporting the centers to their best. The fourth component is annual sports competition. Under this program, it aims to provide good platform to the sports person on grassroots level so that they can excel in particular sport. This is a very significant component of Khelo India program. Various games involved in it like football, volleyball, boxing, basketball, athletics, etc. except cricket, because cricket is controlled by BCCI and it is an autonomous body. It doesn't come under any of the government body. So under this component, a good platform will be provided to the sports person from the very beginning so that they can excel on the particular sport. Let's move to the next component. The fifth component of Khelo India program is talent search and development. Under this program, there is a particular committee made for it, that is talent identification committee will select the prize winners of a particular sport and to give them a prize or reward. It is mentioned here, it aims with the selection of prize winners in their particular sport, in which sport they are competing, that may be athletics, football, basketball, volleyball, boxing, athletics, etc. And in their particular category, they are participating in cadets, sub junior, junior, senior, in whichever category they are participating. This talent identification committee will select the prize winners with the help of best scientific methods. The sixth one is utilization and creation or upgradation of sports infrastructure. As it is mentioned in the heading itself, that under this component, the field, the infrastructure has to be utilized, and where there is no infrastructure, the committee will create the infrastructure, and where they are not up to the mark, they will upgrade the sports infrastructure on the particular area. It aims at developing of sports infrastructure in college or universities. It aims at utilizing the sports infrastructure in college or universities. If the infrastructure is outdated, then to upgrade it. The next component of Khelo India program is support to national, regional, state sports academies. As you can see in this modern era, the academies have came to a trend. They are in trending. हर कोई एकेडमी जो भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है प्रेफर करता है एकेडमी जाना. It aims to provide necessary resources to support so that academies can make the sports person excel, and it comes under long-term athletic development program. Under this component, all the necessary resources which are needed by the academy will be provided by the Khelo India committee, and it comes under long-term athletic development program. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि एक या दो दिन में या एक महीने 2 महीने में कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन तैयार नहीं होता है. इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, कॉपरेशन, हार्ड वर्क फ्रॉम द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन टू become a best. So this is a long term athletic development program. The eighth one is physical fitness of school going children. As earlier it is mentioned that this program is basically to revive the sports culture from the grassroots level. This component aims to develop physical fitness of ongoing children. This component aims to develop physical fitness of school going children. School going children में ही जब interest create होगा, when they will interested among any of the sport, then only in future they will play that sport. ये नहीं कि 10th 12th करने के बाद sport develop हो रहा है, ये ना के बराबर होता है. So we have to develop the interest of physical fitness or any of the sport on school going children from the beginning. For this, toolkit will be provided to measure the physical fitness under this scheme. Schools को toolkit provide की जाएगी. By that, the physical education teachers will measure the physical fitness of the children. The ninth component of this program is sports for women. It aims to ensure women participation in sports, especially where it is less. As you all know that women's participation is very less in sports. But nowadays, by seeing the famous sports personality, that is Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza, PV Sindhu, the women are encouraging, and for them we have to encourage more women so that we can ensure women participation in sports. It has to be it has to be to the mark. The 10th component under it is promotion of sports among specially abled persons. Specially abled persons are also known as Divyangs. Under this, it aims in promotion of sports among specially abled persons. Financial assistance will be provided to states, union territories, Sports Authority of India to create infrastructure for Divyangs. Coaching facilities will also be provided to them. It is very clear written that financial help will be provided to the states, union territories or science centers so that they can create infrastructure for Divyangs, and special coaching facilities will be also provided to them under this component. Let's move to the next component. The last component of this program is promotion of rural and indigenous oblique tribal games. जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि आजकल के टाइम में पुराने जो पहले गेम चलते थे वो विलुप्त होते जा रहे हैं, जैसे कुश्ती, घुड़सवारी, गुल्ली डंडा, कंचे, मलखम, बाघ बकरी जो भी हम खेलते थे, या आप अपने परिवार में पूछिएगा अपने सीनियर से कि वो पहले क्या खेलते थे. सो अंडर दिस कंपोनेंट एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन विल बी ऑर्गेनाइज टू एनहेंस स्पोर्ट्स पार्टिसिपेशन इन सच गेम्स. जो ये विलुप्त होते जा रहे हैं वाले गेम, इनमें स्पोर्ट्स पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए वो एनहेंस करेंगे. एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन होंगे इन चीज़ों के लिए. सम गेम्स अंडर इट आर कुश्ती, चैरियट रेस, गुल्ली डंडा, कंचे, मलखम, बाघ बकरी, etc. At last, I would like to tell you that under this program, a high-powered technical committee will identify the talented sports person in priority to different sports. वो अलग अलग sports किससे भी हो सकते हैं, and to give them financial help of rupees 5 lakh per year will be granted to them for enhancing their skill up to 8 years. 8 सालों तक 5 लाख रुपए पर ईयर की सहायता की जाएगी अंडर दिस स्कीम, और ये डिसाइड करेगी हाई पावर टेक्निकल कमेटी कि वो वास्तविक में टैलेंटेड स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है या नहीं है, और उसे हेल्प की आवश्यकता है या नहीं है. स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू एंजॉयड दिस सेशन. गो थ्रू दिस स्लाइड वंस मोर एंड रीड इट very carefully. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.